Sunrise Ford North Hollywood, proudly serving North Hollywood, Los Angeles, San Fernando Valley, Glendale, Burbank, and surrounding California locations. This Oxford White 2019 Ford Transit van is equipped with a automatic transmission, and receives an estimated. Contact Sunrise Ford North Hollywood to schedule a test drive and take this 2019 Ford Transit van home today, or visit our showroom conveniently located at 5500 Lankershim Blvd, North Hollywood, California 91601. Oxford White 2019 Ford Transit 250 RWD 6-speed automatic with Overdrive 3.7 liters V6 Ti-VCT 24 volts, recent arrival.